Many aspire to become engineers, doctors, IAS officers, film stars, and so on. Just a limited number of people are service oriented. This lesson, a story of self sacrifice and bravery, is about one such selfless, service minded, brave human who lost her life at the great cost of saving others' lives. Her name was Nirja. Nirja Banod was born on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh, Punjab, India. Her parents are Rama Banot and Harish Banot. Nirja's father was a Mumbai based journalist. Nirja had two elder brothers named Akhil and Anish. She was the third child of her parents and a much desired daughter after two sons. Nirja attended Scad Heart School in Chandigarh until she was in the 6th grade, after which her family got shifted to Mumbai. She went to Bombay Scout School and graduated from St. Xavier College there. Despite Nirja's successful career, her family arranged to get her married at 22 to a man in Sharjah, UAE, United Arab Emirates. In March 1985, Nirja married him as per the family's advice, but it didn't work out. At this point, her life had taken a turn for the worse. The marriage was destined to fail at some point. Due to dowry pressures, she left her husband after 2 months of her marriage at the age of 22 and returned to her parents. On the other side, this woman refused to give into society because she was born with a fighting spirit. She tried to come out of the troubled marriage life. Despite a bad marriage, she began her modeling career and appeared in advertisements for Binaka toothpaste and other brands too. She then applied for a flight attendant vacancy with Pan Am. It was the country's main and largest international airline around that time. Just 80 people were selected out of 10,000 applicants, and Nirja was one of them. She was sent to Miami for 6 to 8 weeks of training, and after a year, she was sent to London to train as a purser, the most senior cabin manager. Based on her success and prior examination, pursers served as flight managers, dealing with passenger issues, necessary announcements, and handling security. She quickly took up the airway position to become a senior pilot purser, which was a significant career accomplishment for a young woman of 22. Her achievements after her brave demise from the world was so big. Her loyalties to the passengers of the aircraft in distress will forever be lasting tribute to the finest qualities of the human spirit. Asok Chakra citation. The above piece of Asok Chakra citation brings about the Indian government's recognition and respect given on the extraordinary qualities of Nirja's duty, empathy, commitment, and serving spirit, etc. Not only the Indian government but Pakistan and the American governments also praised and awarded Nirja for her courage. She was the very first person to the to receive Ashok Chakra, India's lifetime achievement honor for bravery in times of peace. In 2004, a postage stamp was also issued in her honor. Her brother traveled to Washington, D.C. in 2005 to receive the Justice for Crimes Award, which was awarded to her as part of the annual Crime Rights Week. She was also awarded the Thumb-e-Insignia. Her great work was given recognition for saving victims during crisis. Nirja's parents established the Nirja Bhanot Pan Am Trust using funds from Pan Am and insurance money to use the title's Pan Am brand. Every year, the trust gives out two awards, one to a flight crew member from anywhere in the world who goes above and beyond the call duty to help others. Another award could be given to an Indian woman who overcomes social inequality and supports other women in similar situation. The award includes a sum of Indian rupee 1,50,000, a trophy and a citation. One of the children saved by this noble flight purser during the 1986 hijacking is now a major airline captain. She was one of those people who shone even after death. People will never forget her nobility, bravery, selflessness, and integrity. And Mumbai streets couldn't forget about her. The Mumbai Municipal Corporation named a square after her in the suburb of Mumbai.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Neerja. I'm a purser in the first class cabin. The purser in the main cabin is Rukhsana Todiwala. On behalf of Pan Am and the entire crew, it is a pleasure to welcome you on board Clipper Flight number 73 to Karachi, with continuing services to Frankfurt and New York. Our flight time to Karachi will be 1 hour and 20 minutes. And we will be cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. We are capable of speaking Hindi and German. If you are aware of any passengers needing assistance in one of these languages, please let us know. Thank you and good day.